Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Peter Griffin from Family Guy and also in the later chapter of Fortnite. So let's go in there at the top. He's got kind of like a curve for his hair. So I'm just going to do a bit of a sort of curved arc there for the top of his hair. It's got then like let's do sort of two little triangular bits, like one there, almost like V's, one there, to sort of show his hair. Then it's going to go swoop sort of down and around, giving him that sort of classic hair that he's got there. Two small ears, so a tiny one there, tiny one there. Then he's got a big old sort of jaw and face, so I'm going to go right down like that. And I'm going to do the same thing again, just go right down like that. Okay, nice one. Alright, so he's pretty buff in Fortnite games, so it's going to go down to about there. Just put a dot right there where his shirt is going to V out. Then I'm just going to draw up to about there, and then up to about there. Then we're just going to pop a little collar in for him. So I'm just going to take just from that little part of the V, just go around and just join up to where his chin is there. And then we're just going to do a little curve and then join that up as well. So just up and around like that. It's like the collar area. Do the same on the other side. So just going to join it up like that. Then just a curve down like so. Bring it down like that. And just bring it up and flick it up like that there. Alright, cool. Let's get kind of like pecs in. So he's, like I say, he's pretty buff. We're going to do a curving like that, curving like that, shows the muscles. And then they kind of go in and his torso goes to about there. So I'm going to just take it from about there, just move in like that and down. And the same here, just move in, down, like that. Just sort of taper it off just there, okay? Then let's do his belt area. So we're just going to do a line from one side to the next, like that. Okay. Let's do that again, just underneath. Sort of nice chunky belt that's gone on there, like that. And let's just join it up. 1, 2. Okay. Then let's pop his legs in. So just a little sort of, I'm going to go from about there, right? Just 1, 2, like that. Let's do the outer part of his leg. Just go 1, and then from the top here, 1 like that, just down to his knees. Then his trousers kind of flare out a bit. So I'm just going to go down like that. Same on the other side. Just go down and in like that. And then we're just going to do the inner part of his leg. So these kind of flare out as well. So I'm just going to take it from there. Just sort of flare it out here, right there. Just flare it out like that. And we'll just join these up and we'll kind of just do a little bit down, curve up, like that. Same here, down, curve up, like that. Okay. Then let's pop your shoes in. So it's not quite sort of rounded feet, so I'm just going to do a little curve like that. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So just going to do curve like that. Okay. Just pop his arms in. So he's got massive shoulders in the game. So I'm just going to do a big old shoulder like that. And on this side, big old shoulder like that. Okay. Then we're just going to do like his tricep area, so I'm just going to go out again like that, just a curve, and out like that. Let's just pop his little bicep in here, so just going to do the same sort of curve again here, a little curve like that. He's got his sleeves rolled up, so I'm going to just put a line in here, and do the same on the other side, a line like that. And then we'll just do a little wavy line on the side of that. And we'll join that up too. So just a slight rounded, ever so rounded line there. Okay. Let's pop his arms in. I think his hands are going to be about up to about here. So I'm going to just do the elbow and forearm area. Just bring that down to like there. And then we'll just bring that down there and curve. Same thing here. Just going to kind of curve it in down there and do gloves on, so I'm just going to join those up, those two lines there, like that. And then I'm going to go a little curve there, it's just like the thumb area. And then just bring another curve around like so. Okay, we'll do the same here. Just bring a curve around like that. Then what we can do is just put in a little right angle on either side there, just to show where his thumbs will be. And then I'm going to put another line here, another line there. And I'm just going to do a little bit there where the gloves are. There, okay. Let's just do his belt area. So I'm going to just put an oval right in the middle there. It's got two little belt hoops as well. So there's one, just two lines up there too. This actual belt is black, so let's just fill that in black here. Cool, okay. Right, let's go for the face. So, kind of got a rounded nose about there. It's kind of like his eyes are right at the top here. So I'm going to use the large pen and just do nose like that, okay? Then we're just going to do like an upside down mouth. Like that. Do his weird little chin, so two little semicircles sort of around here, so 1, 2, okay? Right, let's go swap to a finer pen, and I'm just going to pop in, just under that mouth, there's a couple of little lines, so just with a finer pen, just pop a line in there, maybe just a little line like that, so. Then it's got glasses on, so it's got like a curve there, the top of the glasses, and then just go down, around, and like join that up. Same here, go down where the nose is, around, join that up. And do a line across where the glasses are, make it slightly thicker with the pen. And then the arms of the glasses go behind the ears, like that. Okay, it's also kind of got Then for his eyes, he's got just a line here and a line here, a line here and a line here. Okay, and then two little dots for his eyes, just have him looking over to the right hand side like that. Nice, okay. His chest area, just show the bursting muscles, so I'm just going to do a curve here, curve there, to show his chest. It's got a little bit in the middle there, to show a bit of his definition. There's also just a little bit of a shirt crease there, and then there's a little bit on the roll-up sleeves here, so just going to put a couple of lines in like that, just to show that there, okay. This shirt will go down to his belt loop, so just going to do a little bit there, and then just take it down like that, okay. We're going to pop 2 buttons in, so just some circles, one here, and then we're just going to pop 1, 2, 3, like that there, okay. Just on the glove, he's kind of got a little bit of detail, so I'm going to put another little circle and like an oval, and one more there. And we'll do the same here, so just a circle, an oval, circle, oval. Where his shoes are, I'm just going to put a little line, just so show the sole of his shoe. Let's get just a lighter blue colour for now, and this has got a white shirt on. Let's just put a little bit of shadow in there. So I'm just gonna show that shading a little bit, just pop in some shaded areas just on the right hand side. Just trace around sort of like where the edge is, just show that kind of shadow area a little bit more, maybe just there, just around here. Here as well, where it's maybe a bit darker, maybe just pop that like that, and just maybe just a little touch there, just a little touch kind of there as well. Alright, so let's get the skin colour. Just going to get a darker skin colour, and I'm going to eyes are there. Around where his nose is. Just under that chin. Around this part too. Otherwise we'll just kind of earring just a bit there. Let's pop that bit into there. Okay. I'm going to get a lighter skin colour now. And we're just going to fill in pretty much the rest of that, I think. Just cover the other areas like in the gloves. Around here, and then we'll just go around here. Trying to get quite an even kind of tone on his face. Flat colour apart from that, so I'm not going to have any sort of highlighted poppy colours in there. Let's just kind of try and colour that best we can. Just blend that ever so slightly. Like that. Nice. Okay. Let's get in there with I think a lighter brown, and I'm just going to do his hair. So I'm just going to colour in his hair brown. Around there. Okay. And then his shoes as well. So let's just colour in those shoes. Get a slightly darker brown as well. And I'm just going to do again just a little bit of shadow just around there, just around the edge, so slightly around there. Cool. Then I think let's get a nice kind of zingy green for his trousers, and let's just fill in that whole area with a really zingy green colour. Belt loops as well. Even tone. Alright, and then I get a darker green. Let's just pop those shadow areas in, so it's shaded, so more of a darker green around, just to show it off there, between the legs where the shading might be as well. Up, let's get a nice grey colour, and we'll just pop those gloves in. So just quite a dark grey, not quite a black, so we can see the light black edging that we have there. So very dark, cool black we're using there. Then I think I'll get a yellow. Let's grab a nice yellow. Give it a nice sort of accent pop where the belt buckle is, so let's pop that in there like that. So next up, let's have a think. What I think we'll do, I'm just going to forearm, just put a little bit of that Griffin muscle in again as well. Kind of got a few bits there. Right, that's cool. And then let's pop in a bit of a background. It's been a nice flat background there. And maybe what I'll do is just pop in a bit of that accent yellow, so I've got some yellow footing, so just helps pop. See the yellow and standing on there. Alright. Cool, and I think that's pretty much it. So That is, so that is Peter Griffin from Family Guy and in the latest Fortnite on Art Draw. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again. Bye.